Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Runway Effect in Dress and Press new Halloween update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Halloween update has been dropped in Dress and Press and they have added new feature called Runway Effect, and then I'm going to show you how we can use it. So guys, after you got the Runway Effect from the Battle Pass or the mini game, you can just go to this Runway Effect menu and choose the runway effect that you want to apply, and wait. I'm waiting for my turn and I'm going to apply the Runway Effect. And okay, this is my turn and I'm going to use my Runway Effect. I'm going to use this one. And yeah, it's cool. And this bad Runway Effect. And yeah, it will make your runway more captivating. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use the Runway Effect and Dress and Press new Halloween update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!